One of my favorite user input devices that encourages accuracy is the drop-down menu.
This video is brought to you by ObbyPies Academy.
And that's done using two different tags, the select tag and the option tag. So let's say we have select ID equals favorite. Let's do favorite airline this time. Name equals favorite airline. And notice that it has a closing tag. And inside the select here, we're going to put the options. Now, I forgot to label this at first. I think that's important. So let's put our break in our label. So this way the user knows exactly what we want here. So this will be label for favorite airline, just like that. And I'm going to break this again here. I think it just looks better with the label on top of the actual drop-down component. Now, each option is going to have its own value. The value is what's reported to the server if that particular option is selected. So in this case, if the user selects the option American Airlines, which is what's displayed to them, the value reported to the server will be American. So American Airlines, let's do Delta. Let's add a few more. So option, the value is what's reported to the server. So even though what the user will see is Southwest Airlines, just the word Southwest gets reported to the server. That's indicated in the action here in the form. So process.php in this case, which again is fictional, will just receive the word Southwest for the previous line. So we got American, Delta, Southwest, United. Let's add a couple more of my favorites. So option, value, JetBlue. I fly them quite a bit. And Virgin America. And let's do one last one just to round it off here. Let's see. I think we've got all the major American airlines. Am I forgetting one? We've got American, Delta, Southwest, United, JetBlue, Virgin. Let's see. Let's add here Hawaiian Air, which is one of my favorites too, because if you're there, you're going to Hawaii. Beautiful place. All right, so here we have our drop-down created. And let's take a look at how it looks in the browser. So there you see the favorite airline label, and then our drop-down with all of our options. And of course, for example, if we had Hawaiian Air selected, the value Hawaiian is reported to the server. So that's our select box. Now, we can also style the box a different way if we choose to. With the size attribute, we can determine how many lines we want to show. So let's say size is 3 here in the opening select element. Let's save and refresh and see how this looks in the browser. So now we still have access to all these with the scroll bar, but the actual select box acts a little differently. Now, behind the scenes, it doesn't make a difference. It actually just works exactly the same way. Now, looks like I've got 7. If you set this to 7, it'll show all of these at the same time. And notice how when you click one, it goes off that one and allows you to select another. So there you have your select box or your drop down. If you want it to be a drop down again, you just eliminate the size attribute just like that. Save, and now we'll have the original drop down listed just like that. So with the select tag and the option tag, we can make drop downs which limit the types of responses the users can make to a particular question on your form.